Many people believe waking up at 5 a.m. is the key to success. But what if I told you this is a myth? What if your productivity doesn't depend on waking up early? What if there's a better way, a way tailored to you? This essay explores the truth about productivity. We'll debunk the 5 a.m. myth and discover what really works. Get ready to rethink your morning routine. The 5 a.m. productivity myth is simple. Wake up before everyone else, get a head start on your day, and achieve more. The idea is that by rising early, you can harness the quiet hours of the morning to focus on important tasks without distractions. This idea is appealing. It promises control and success in our busy world. The notion of mastering time and being ahead of the curve is incredibly seductive. Books and articles praise early risers like CEOs and athletes. They often highlight how these individuals attribute their success to their early morning routines. We see them as superhuman, their success linked to their early mornings. This creates an image of invincibility and discipline that many aspire to emulate. This creates a powerful yet often misleading narrative. The pressure to conform to this ideal can be overwhelming and counterproductive, but this narrative ignores a crucial factor: individual differences. Not everyone thrives in the early morning hours. We are not all wired the same way. Our brains and bodies have unique needs and rhythms. Our bodies have unique rhythms that dictate our best times for work and rest. Understanding and respecting these natural patterns can lead to greater productivity and well-being. Our bodies operate on a 24-hour cycle called the circadian rhythm. This natural cycle is deeply ingrained in our biology and affects various aspects of our daily lives. This rhythm influences sleep, hormone release, and even body temperature. It dictates when we feel alert and when we feel sleepy, playing a crucial role in our overall health. It's like an internal clock that tells us when to sleep, wake, and eat. This internal clock is unique to each individual, making our sleep patterns highly personal. Not everyone's clock is set to the same time. Some people are naturally early risers, while others are night owls. These differences are known as chronotypes, and they can vary widely among individuals. Trying to fight your natural rhythm can lead to sleep deprivation, stress, and reduced productivity. Ignoring your body's signals can have long-term negative effects on your mental and physical health. Research shows forcing yourself to wake up early when your body isn't ready can harm your health and well-being. It can lead to chronic fatigue, mood disturbances, and even metabolic issues. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Embracing your natural rhythm can lead to better sleep quality, improved mood, and enhanced productivity. Instead of focusing on the when, let's focus on the how. How we approach our tasks can make all the difference in our productivity and overall satisfaction. Productivity isn't about the hour you wake up. It's about understanding your individual rhythm and working with it, not against it. It's about finding those moments when you feel most alive and channeling that energy into your work. Identify your peak productivity times. These are the moments when your mind is sharpest and your creativity flows effortlessly. When do you feel most alert and focused? Is it early in the morning or perhaps late at night when the world is quiet? Schedule your most demanding tasks for those times. This way you can tackle them with the full force of your mental and physical energy. Save less demanding tasks for periods when you naturally have less energy. These could be routine tasks that don't require as much focus or creativity. Experiment with different routines and find what works best for you. Maybe it's a mix of structured and flexible approaches. Maybe you thrive on a structured morning routine, or perhaps you prefer a more flexible approach. The important thing is to find a balance that suits your lifestyle and work demands. The key is to listen to your body and adjust your schedule accordingly. Pay attention to your energy levels and be willing to make changes as needed. This way you can maintain a sustainable and productive workflow. Whether you're an early bird, a night owl, or somewhere in between, there are strategies to optimize your productivity. Early birds. Make the most of your morning energy by tackling your most challenging tasks first. Night owls. Don't force yourself to wake up early. Instead, leverage your evening energy for creative work or strategic thinking. Everyone. Prioritize sleep, establish a consistent sleep schedule, and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to productivity. The key is to experiment, be flexible, and find what works best for you. Let's move beyond the 5 a.m. myth and embrace a more personalized approach to productivity. Share your experiences, tips, and challenges. Let's learn from each other and redefine productivity together. By understanding our individual rhythms and working with our natural tendencies, we can unlock our full potential and achieve success on our terms.